The Credit Pros Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering credit repair, The Credit Pros is a service that promises to help you dispute inaccuracies on your credit report, boost your credit score, and educate you on maintaining good credit habits. But does it live up to the hype? Here's what you need to know. The Credit Pros offers a range of services tailored for those struggling with bad credit or looking to make improvements. Their core features include credit report analysis, disputing negative items, identity theft restoration, and ongoing credit monitoring. They claim to work with all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, to remove errors that could be unfairly damaging your score. One of their standout features is the AI-driven credit management system that tracks your financial habits and provides insights into areas where you can improve. They also offer a variety of membership plans, starting from a basic plan with essential dispute services, up to premium options that include identity theft protection and legal document services for those needing extra security. However, it's important to understand that credit repair is a slow process, typically taking anywhere from 3 to 6 months, and results can vary based on your individual credit profile. Who is this service for? If you have legitimate errors or inaccuracies on your credit report, the Credit Pros might be a good fit for you. It's not a solution for people looking to simply erase legitimate negative marks from their history. Also, if you're the kind of person who prefers a hands-on approach, they offer educational tools to help you understand your credit better. Now let's talk cost. Their plans are priced between $69 to $149 per month, depending on the services you need. While this isn't the cheapest option available, you're paying for a comprehensive service that includes credit repair, monitoring, and fraud protection. Overall, the Credit Pros is a solid choice if you're serious about repairing your credit and willing to invest the time and money into the process. However, it's crucial to go in with realistic expectations. Credit repair is a journey, not a quick fix.